Frank Nyensembono, Frank Nyensembono. Good morning, Kaba, Badwam Ahosepe, Jumezido Izino, the Fanti Doll, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, Shatta Wale, woo, Street Crown. And you know, a guy too much, no one some say the king of the street, on easy, as I say, or born home wasn't beer, but Street Crown is it's scarce, no, now so no. He's made of steel to Janana Pampe. And I pay you share credible motivation about more beatasa. You have be free. Shatta Wale in the song game Street Crown. Now, master with Shatta into no Mombo Amenzie there. Say, was a crewman or Kumase, Ebian in Juma, ye, I have been here by your school in your share. Good news. Good news because Shatta Richema was the Shagzi, Ribo Kumase, and Shagzi knows Ribo Kumase no, or by your Shagzi. One of the #1 riding hauling up. Oh, Kumasi. It's a menu wakase. Plans wo kwem. O chema or say ana woman is in my mind for chance and maybe asem. One more or he is in my mind. Na o chema or 2-4 or say to 2 ne backing. Into no, you know, short to the social to can watch a small time. Shagzi will be Kumase's #1 riding hauling up, and I will give 20% of our proceeds to the Menchia Palace to cater for schools and hospitals in the region. The love is too much, the support is too much. Thank you, Otumfo Osei Tutu II. I bow, my king. Into no, Shatta Wale Enyen. You know, but your 2 socials no don't. So no, I bring baby or should maybe ano on Shagzi, by #1 or Kumase. Na wakades impono for Sibiro Benyano 20% of Siko Benyano for so Benyano was Bama Menchia. The Menchias are Bosuku in the hospitals. Shatta, Yami Shawati, or Da Ewo Mangana, Pono ye Pimpio be around so still brother, and the Hajuni who, and the was papa. Now, away from that, no, Shatta Richema this year, no. So we're dance awards and I won't best dance of the year, no fan man. Because one fan man part, I know you're cheating because Nala, but it's not kind of performance, no. Move to be an alone who only was stage, no. Was better such as we, Matapo, I will share. I saw na Shatta. Also in Niambra. Bibi said, "You be the room had a what I want to Shatta Wale in Asama. No problem. Bibi for no. Neo who cry, uno. It's no, Baba. Shatta, too dope. As I say, I go too much. It's no Shatta Wale in best dancer of the year. Yeah, as I'm I want to pay as amo. King fat, you be uncle when you be pro fat. No answer marry again. Now, Montia, Monsamodo. Now, Kiddy, I don't know. That story now, because I'm a baba, you know. Babe, my kiddy quite can't some and the most more reactive or one what things and one yamunia into how am I my cousin because kiddy chima. We don't have a music industry, any industry be our her. And I'm surprised that one what's going now. What are the more the industry be industry? Is there a music industry in this Ghana? I would say kiddy. I take it in a embra.
Our industry does this, our industry does that. But from where I sit, we do not have an industry. Yeah.
Oh, let me hear it well. Let me put on the headset.
Let me wear my headset. Kidding.
It's not. No. It's facts because like it's no, like it's there, like Ghana music industry, but we don't have the structures that make us an industry
at all. We don't have at all.
Mirage. We are just. Everybody's just floating, doing their best with what they have, with the resources available to them, finding ways and places to put themselves and graduate themselves and grow. But the structures that form, and that's what you said, we get to a place and then it's like a house, a family. The parents have kids. The kids graduate from uni. The whole concept is, oh, the actual way you into the but we uni, no, I think I'll be rap, and that's when he even needs like support. But it's set up in a way that's one man for himself. You have to do what you can with what you have. We don't have, you cannot, after 10 years of all the hits Kiddy has, if we have structures, I should be a mega superstar. But we're still growing day by day because it's one man for him. So you have to fend for yourself. You and your team have to find ways and means to get funding, to get videos, to do this, to do that, because the point blank fact is there. We do not have structures that make us an industry.
What are these structures you're talking about?
We know it. We don't have royalty collection. Like, I don't want to get into technicalities because I'm not a technical person, but as an artist in an industry, I can tell you for a fact, if you speak to Sarkodie, if you speak to Shatta Wale, if you speak to Stonebwoy, everybody is striving on their own with their own team, trying to form their plans and marketing strategies, but we don't have anything. And we also have made it a point that only the artist is in the industry, but the industry is an ecosystem. The DJ is part of the industry, the music video director, the blogger, the dancer, everybody forms the industry. But when problem comes, we say, and the artist, why is Ghana music, and the artist, but it's so many people that come together to form the industry. If the artist goes up, the DJ goes up, the blogger goes up, the radio presenter goes up, everybody in the ecosystem goes up. But we've left the artist on an island and say, you are the industry, do what you have to do, and then, you know.
Mama Kade, this is not the first time I asked the artist to be recorded. There's no music industry. Industry be any baby. And say, hey, kind industry now. Masa, you quiet to ma, or be to more boy artists. Or be we are not may you a sinchen. Sikacha cry a problem, Okruma. Is there an industry? It's no amazing. Coming, Kiddy, you know about Kiddy. Whatever was sugar, some not to do. As I guess not to do. Now we build together. No one build the industry, no. Because in America, there's no industry, no. Why not build industry anymore, Kiddy? Or chema all the girls them sugar no cry, no. All the new and you build. Young sugar I didn't fret. But I am for salt, and I pay chocolate. But maybe I had more water, but in the meantime, no. It can't be. And what industry, no. Into no one can home no one build an industry because the way oko solo the you pay no oku cry you be amon pata you be amon pata and see music industry dey atonsuo but ebotum na yamado so no hasama ranyen yan kwhwe real parrot's mouth personally one of my favorite comedians ewo krom ha Nigerian but wabet no krom ha dey dem boy yan kasa no say hwa santini mira yes no man ahore na cheda asam no niale twa ai I will shall also say kutu say bam say Nigeria ton fant no in the tree or more the river no na wake bebe sidu sing to no pempe onana was abrahim was say kutu say bam na so na say kutu say bam no answer maranying na in a Wednesday it's no oma mo kwana na muntu na man crash on a woman crash Wednesday na me peda me crash on one of our queens na only his song bia na say but smata lady no you too dope legacy aweja to honum na onyaza obi ba say unprecedented atasa obi antwan she video yi na yeba maka ho aso amoa oyenkranyi ba papa akroboni ba that's why so na no who you feel or something talented na asa also say chere enyum bibia maza this girl is a 360 tasa na yenyim do mo from ebie na ehwe mo sma o mother number no kra na Miss Bell you dope na you know why a reception da what's my reception OM Studios as a receptionist na ejuma ya ohono no OM Studios na wetum na wa rise abaye the big woman we all know companies nibia owo ibi Miss Bell Music sounds wo Bell Group sound wo Bell I Media and no one can come home minimum restaurant and also Miss Bell watch her hand there be see who place in your jazzy butum na epoya because back in the days anyum mo boy anyum na 17 years old till back in the days no na e be see akra na anyum bi wo hono ma restricted those times no myself in town go school na dey you are afraid to even show face but Miss Bell mo no wo break code na ma hen 6 16 years and you know in your 17 years this year into no the pay mini bia we celebrating other than the beautiful Belinda Nana Ekuya Amwa aka Miss Bell aka Missy Bellino and the pay Mufaninja Wanana Musan for 60 years Mr. John or no for Honma Mufa Luso in Jawan into no don't want some again is no a the fancy door what come down for France and Marco now isn't it the fancy door to the mama care no Thomas squad original combination ya me the home ya say Frank or ya sound ya na wada me ko ko no charo honum now so no Sarah Opari director number 1 but then I say papa head of production is we Kofi Ampe do open ya producer Richmond team ni nyina me do biara se nyame adoma yebesa na yisha Miss Bell the new song no or nyum kubi o kala mazafo for bamonta o oh idebi oh my drop